Hello everyone, crochet, chain and single crochet. So have a look. Put the crochet in just like that, cross and bring the yarn in, and this knot is done. And but you can make any knot you can make. See here, now we are going to do the crochet chain. See here, bring the yarn in, that's one chain, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9, 10. So it's chain. When we have to start anything for the crochet, this is the chain. Very easy. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. 2 stitches for the edge. Now we have to start the single crochet. Just have a look, leave the 1-2 stitches and put the crochet in this one and bring the yarn like that. You can see here 2 stitches and then we bring the yarn through, and this is a single crochet. So in every stitch, have a look, we put the crochet in, bring the yarn through, and then like that every stitch we do the crochet, and this is the base of any project. So you can see here, this is very nice. Every stitch I will do like that, and this is a single crochet, and this one look like that. I will finish the whole row like that. See here, this is the single crochet and the chain. As you can see here, so beautiful. This one look very nice. And now you can see here, have a look, this one, turn the side around and we will do 2 chain, 1 and 2. This one was single crochet. Now I will show you how to do the double crochet. In the double crochet, we will put the yarn around and then put the stitch in the next chain. See here, there are 3 chains, bring the 2 like that, and then is this one. This is the double crochet. Again yarn in, yarn on the crochet like that, 2, and after 1 stitch. This is a double crochet and look very beautiful. double crochet, we will write in the pattern as DC, and the single crochet we will write SC, and for the chain we write CH. So this is so beautiful. I'll finish the whole row like that. This row is finished. You can see here, so beautiful. This is the single crochet, and on the top is double crochet. And I will do one more row to show you. 2 stitches, 2 chain, 1, 2, double crochet again, and I will finish the whole row to show you like this. See here, 3 rows are finished, and this one looks so beautiful, both sides. See this one, so beautiful. Single crochet here, double crochet here, double crochet here, and so beautiful to knit anything, beanie, jumper. This is a nice pattern. Thanks for watching.